turns 9 and here is her 9th birthday cake. A pumpkin birthday cake. Why not? It's Halloween time, so happy birthday, Lola! I hope you all enjoyed the video of Lola's birthday. She is 9! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back before the cool head is out. No more, no more.
To get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight go out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum where people come to see 'em. They really are a scream, the Addams Family. Neat, sweet, petite. So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love